Very good evening, all of you. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar, uh, Associate Professor who is working in School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. I am here to announce all the uh, best drawing awards today, who are all participated in the online international workshop on food safety and food biotechnology. I hope all of you enjoyed this one-day online international workshop on food safety and food biotechnology. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants of this drawing competition. As a judge, one of the judge, I could comment on all the drawings. They were very excellent and high standard. It was really difficult for us to identify the best drawing awards, and we announced the best drawings. There is no first, second, or third places. It is all best drawings. Whoever we announce, they all considered as best drawings, and you will also get the certificate as best drawing award. Okay, so we segregated the outside participants as well as internal participants. So can we move on to announce the winners? Okay. The first participant who won the best drawing award is Fuchsia from Dr. Lal Institute of Biotechnology, Jaipur. Next, yes, Sabina Antonia from Tashim Bibi Abdul Qadir College for Women, Kilakarai. The next winner is Dr. M. Vinodini from Sri Ramachandra College of Arts and Science for Women, Coimbatore. The next best drawing winner is M. Shereen Kubra, Syed Amal Arts and Science College, Ramanathapuram. The next winner is Kusuri Saugandiga from Centurion University of Management and Technology from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. The next winner is Mrs. Mamillapalli Vani from Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. The next winner is Renuka Devi from New Prince Bhavani Arts and Science College, Chennai. The next winner is Sangavi from Siddha Medical College and Research Center, Chennai. The next winner is Kirti Priya from ISTS Women's Engineering College, Rajanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. The next winner is M. Rizwana Begum from Tashim Bibi Abdul Qadir College for Women, Kilakarai. The next winner is Boki Akila, ISTS Women's Engineering College, Rajanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. The next winner is M. Maheshwari, PSR Engineering College, Sivakasi. The next winner is Raghunandan, yes, Olisa International School, Chennai. So now we will move on to the internal candidates who participated from B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. First winner is Anupriya from B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. The second one is Harshita. The third one is Nishantini. So with this, all the winners were announced. Again, I want to congratulate all of you for successfully completing and winning as a best drawing awards. And I would like to meet you on the next competition. Please keep participate and improve your talent. I wish good luck to all the best drawing award winners, and also I would like to congratulate all the participants who participated in this drawing competition. Thank you very much.